So you want to make your own resource pack? Well, congratulations, you've come to the right place. This is going to be a very short tutorial, like a few minutes. So in a few minutes, you'll know how to make a resource pack. Also, I'm not doing this for free, so please do subscribe. Thank you. The first step is to make a brand new folder on your desktop. Name that folder whatever the heck you're going to call your resource pack. My resource pack. Once you've made that folder, open your File Explorer. You can do this by either clicking on the Documents button here or clicking on the folder down here in your taskbar. Once you've opened your File Explorer, go up to the top, type %appdata% and hit enter. Find the folder called .minecraft. Once you've done that, find the folder called versions. Once you've opened that, find the version of Minecraft you want your resource pack to work for. I'm going to be doing 1.17.1. Once you find the version of Minecraft that you want to make your resource pack for, open that folder that corresponds with that version of Minecraft. In that folder, you'll find a .jar and a .json, both named the version of Minecraft that corresponds with the version of Minecraft you want your resource pack to work for. Select the .jar file by left-clicking and then right-click on it to bring up this drop-down menu and select copy. Now you can close out of your File Explorer. You can open that folder on your desktop and paste that jar that you just copied into that folder. The next thing you want to do is go up to View at the top and make sure you have File Extensions checked. After that, you want to left-click and then right-click to bring up the drop-down menu and then select Rename. Instead of renaming the actual file, we're going to be changing the file extension from .jar to .zip. Make sure to hit enter. It'll ask you if you change this file extension, the file might become unusable. Just select yes, the file will still be usable. Once you've hit yes, you'll see that the file turns into a little zipped up folder. Right click on that folder and select extract all. Something that looks just like this will come up. Don't touch anything, just hit extract. Then you'll see something like this. You might have to wait a while. Sometimes it takes a long time for it to copy all of the items. I'm just going to cut ahead to once this is done loading. And done. Once you've done that, you'll see that you have the zip folder you just pasted in here and then a brand new folder without a file extension, and it just has the name of the Minecraft version that you want your resource pack to correspond with. Once you have these two items, you do not need the zip folder, so you can delete that now. You just want this folder. Open up that folder. You'll see a long list of a bunch of random stuff. Forget everything you see in this folder except for the assets folder. What you want to do is highlight everything but the assets folder. So once again, make sure you have everything in this folder selected except the assets folder. Right click on everything else that's been highlighted and delete it. You do not want to delete the assets folder, just delete everything else. Again, this may take a while. I'm just going to cut to when this is done. And there we go, it's done. Now what you want to do is open up that folder called assets, go inside the folder called Minecraft, and in here you'll find a bunch of stuff that has to do with the textures. If you want to change other things like language, files, shaders, particles, models, that kind of stuff, if you know how to do that, you can do that here. If you just want to change stuff like the textures of a block, you would find that in the folder called textures. If you open that, you'll find all the different types of textures you can change. I'll just do a little bit of an example. I'll change like one texture of a block and one texture of an item. Let me open up that block folder. You can see all of the textures for the different blocks in Minecraft. I'll change what the diamond block looks like. There it is. You're gonna need some sort of photo editing software. I personally use pack.net. I'll leave a link to it in the description if you want to download it. If you have your own software like Adobe Photoshop or just regular Paint like Microsoft Paint, you could use that too. Right click on it, open with, and then select the photo editor you're gonna use. I'm using paint.net, and you can see here is our block texture. I'm going to draw a nice black little smiley face on this diamond block, and that is all I shall do. File, save. And now, as you can see, the little diamond block has a smiley face on it. I'll go back out to these folders. I'll find the folder called items. I'll open that up. You can see all of the items in Minecraft, and I'll change the color of the diamond. There's the diamond. Right click, open with, paint.net. There's the diamond texture. Adjust hue and saturation. I can change the hue. I'll make this diamond red. There we go. File, save. And as you can see, the diamond is now red. Once you've changed all the textures you want, go all the way back out to where you can find that folder called assets. Right click here and select text document. You can just leave it as new text document. Open up that text document, go down into the description, copy and paste this piece of code into this text document. Right here where it says pack_format and then :5, you're gonna have to change this number depending on what version of Minecraft you're using. I'll have a list of what number you should change this to in the description, and I'll also put a list of what each number equals on the screen right now. I'm doing 1.17.1, so I have to change this number 5 to a 7. 1.7 for 1.17. If you want to, you can replace this insert name here with your name or your Minecraft username, whatever you want. It'll say made by and then insert name here when you hover over the resource pack in game. Once you're done, go up to the top where it says file, hit file, save as. Make sure you're saving this file into the same folder that your assets folder is in. Down here where it says new document.txt, delete all of that, name it pack.mcmeta, just like so, right down here. No capitals, nothing, exactly the way you see right here. I'll also put this in the description, that way you can copy and paste it if you wish to. Once you've written that out, select save, and you'll see pack.mcmeta is now saved here. You can close out of that text document, you don't need it anymore, so you can delete it. All you need is the assets and pack.mcmeta. The last thing you're going to want for your resource pack is a photo that goes in the little square next to the name of the resource pack. To do this, all you need to do is open up your photo editor, make a photo for your resource pack. I'm going to do another smiley face, just less pixelated this time. Once you're done with that, file, save as. You can save that to your desktop if you wish to. So as you can see right up here in the corner, there is my resource pack photo. All you want to do is drag that photo into the same folder as your assets and pack.mcmeta folder. Right click on it and rename it to pack. That way it says pack.png. That's the name you want your photo for your resource pack to be. Once you're done, it should look like this. You should have your assets folder that contains all of your textures, your pack.mcmeta folder that contains your resource pack description and also the number that identifies what version your resource pack's for, and then the pack.png for the photo that goes next to your resource pack description in game. Once you've done this, you can highlight all three of these things, right click to bring up the drop down menu and select send to compressed zip folder. Your computer will do some fancy stuff, and then you'll see a little zip folder here. You can name the zip folder whatever you want. I'm going to call it my resource pack and hit enter. There it is. That's my resource pack. Once you've done that, you can right click on it to bring up the drop down menu and select copy. Now once you've copied your resource pack, you want to press pause in game, go to options and resource packs, go to open pack folder down here. It'll open your file explorer straight to your resource packs in your .minecraft folder. In this folder that it opens for you when you press the button, just right click and select paste to paste your resource pack in there. You can see it right there, my resource pack.zip. Make sure that the first thing you see when you open that zip folder is the assets, pack.mcmeta and pack.png. And once you've pasted it into the resource packs folder, you can close out of your file explorer and you can close out of this folder now. You can go back to your game and your resource pack should be somewhere inside this list of resource packs on the left side of your screen, and there it is, my resource pack.zip made by insert name here. I never changed that, and you can see the pack.png has been applied for my resource pack photo. Now I can apply it to the right side of my screen and select done. Minecraft's gonna load for a second. If I go into creative mode and I search diamond block, you can already see that the textures have been applied. Diamond blocks have small little looking smiley faces on it, and the diamonds are red. I'm going to be making other types of videos that aren't tutorials. They're going to be more entertainment based. If you want to see those, please be sure to subscribe and have a good rest of your day.